How to fix Messenger story not showing. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix Messenger story not showing. So the first thing you guys need to do is just open up your Messenger app, then go to the stories. Here you can see all the stories who have posted. So the first thing you guys need to do is just click on your profile picture and scroll down all the way to story. Here you can see who can see your story, like public, friends only and custom. You can also see hide story from, mean the person from whom you have hide the story, but we are interested in the stories you have muted. And if you just go there might be a people you could have muted. So just want to make absolutely sure that you have no one in here, because you wouldn't want to mute anyone's story. Maybe you want to do that, it is up to you, but since you are looking for someone's story and cannot seem to find it, make sure you haven't muted their story, because you won't be notified when they put a story. Last thing you should do is make sure that your Messenger app is up to date, updated. I hope this video was a big help to you. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends. Thank you.